Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Ruffnath III. I'm doing question 113 of the top 200 hearing questions you're likely to hear in your Social Security disability hearing. Let's get to it. What about, now we're in the cleaning section. Okay, so difficulties you have with cleaning. So let's say that the question is presented to you by the judge in the following manner. Do you have any difficulty with cooking, cleaning, laundry, or paying bills? I'm breaking it down for you with smaller questions so it's easier for you. Okay, here we go. 113. What about lifting, opening, or pouring the cleaning bottles? All right, so we're talking about lifting. What do you have the capacity to lift? Some of these cleaning bottles, you know, it's heavier than a gallon of milk. Opening, fine manipulative functioning with your hands. Okay, or if it's a larger thing, gross manipulative functioning with your hand, a larger grabbing, holding, grasping, things like that, as opposed to typing, so fingering, things like that. Or pouring the cleaning bottles. Now look, when it comes to pouring, you have to have a magical ability to pour these things. I pour chemicals all the time, whether it's for cleaning purposes or it's for resurfacing, like vintage trucks that I used with the law firm. I was supposed to use with the law firm until COVID hit to advertise. We were going to put an advertisement thing in the back of it and then park it and let people see that, but COVID hit. The bottom line is this, but that'll be gone one day. The bottom line is this: when it comes to pouring, nobody has great ability to pour anything, okay? Unless it's like a really big item that is getting tons of air to it, and you can slowly rotate it over. But that's not how these cleaning products are. I mean, you're getting that gulp, 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 gulp effect the moment you start to put that thing over. All right. We're going to be going on to question 114 next. Remember, if you have a question, shoot me an email or give me a call. Also, we go live from 8 to 10 every Thursday on YouTube Eastern Standard Time, so I can answer any and all questions you have then. Also, real quick, if you like this video or it helped you in any way, please subscribe, leave 5 stars where you can on different websites, and like the videos as you can. All right, thanks so much.